Hey there, Andrew here. In today's video I want to show you how to do a fast search and replace using regular expressions. So today's use case is I have to fix some linter errors. So when I run my linter, the style lint finds a bunch of errors here, and I see that all of them are the same, and I see here the pattern that okay, the error says me that I need to replace the transparentize function with color adjust. And I see here that we have the same, like the data that we have in the current code and what it needs to be in the final one. It's mostly the same, but I need just to change some things, like the in front of, instead of transparentize, to be color adjust. And here in front of amount I need to add alpha, double colon, space and minus. So we can achieve this using regular expressions. If we go in our project and we go to the search, so what we want to do here is click this arrow to open search and replace. On the right side we want to toggle matching case, matching all words, and activate the regular expressions. Okay, and now we need to write a regular expression. We have this word, let it say. Okay, we see the results here, and the first character, it's parenthesis, so we escape it. Okay, it's included. The first one is the first argument, and we need to somehow catch it and put it in a group. So for that we will use parentheses again, so we have the parentheses, and this group will be anything. Let's say for anything will be dot and at least one character, but it goes to the end. Now if we will tell next that after this it's a comma, we see that the results show exact what we need, a space, and we need to catch the second argument. It's 08 in some cases 06. So we need to do a group again, parentheses, and inside we write dot plus, and again we see that it took everything till the end of the line, and all of them are closing with the parentheses. So we had the closing parentheses, but we need to escape it. Okay, all good. So we wrote this regex, regular expression. Now I want to make sure, I think that we have 37 results. Let me see if I will have the same results just using transparentize. Yeah, okay, so it's all good. If I would add also the semicolon, I see that I lose some results. That's because there are some usages that also have percentage at the end. Now what we want to replace with, so let's take this as an example. Let's put it here. Okay, so now we want, instead of the color, to change our first catched group. That can be used with $sign and 1. And for the amount we can use $2. So $1 is the first group, $2 is the second group. And we can see the results, how it will look in the end. The transparentize will change to color adjust, the color black color, alpha minus 08. Let's do a replace all, replace. Okay, now let's go here and try to run the linter again. Fixed. Thanks for watching. Bye.